In this video, I will show you how to use presenter mode in Gamma AI. Let's get started. First, I'll select the project I want to work on from my dashboard, like this Video AI Technology Guide. Once the presentation loads, I head to the top right corner and on the Present button. By clicking the drop-down arrow next to it, I can see several options. I'll start by choosing In this tab. This allows me to start my presentation directly within my current browser window. As I scroll through the cards, I can use the Spotlight tool in the top menu. This is a great feature that lets me focus on specific sections of a slide as I talk, making it much easier for the audience to follow along. I'll click Exit to return to the editor and show you another way to present. I'll go back to that same menu and select Full Screen this time. This gives me a much more immersive, distraction-free view that fills the entire display. Just like before, I can toggle the Spotlight tool to emphasize important details while I navigate through my content. Now, let's exit that and look at the most advanced option, Presenter View. When I click this, a separate window opens specifically for the presenter. In this view, I can see my upcoming slides and a dedicated area for speaker notes. I can click right here to type in reminders or key talking points that only I can see. I can also use the thumbnails at the bottom of this window to jump between different parts of my deck instantly. And there you have it. That's the complete process of using presenter mode in Gamma AI.